Everyone wants to make money trading, but let's be real. Most people lose because they have no idea what they're doing. They jump into the markets chasing green candles, following random signals, and calling it a strategy. But what if I told you there's a proven way to build your own profitable trading strategy, one that actually fits your personality, your schedule, and your risk tolerance? In this video, I'm going to break down the exact step-by-step process to build a profitable strategy for stocks, forex, or crypto in 2025. And trust me, by the end, you'll understand why 95% of traders fail and how to be in the other 5%.
The foundation. Why you need a system. If you've seen my last video, the 5 biggest mistakes new traders make, you already know that one of the biggest mistakes is trading without a plan. A strategy is not a prediction. It's a process, a repeatable system that defines when to enter, when to exit, and how much to risk. Without it, you're gambling, not trading. The market doesn't care about your emotions, your feelings, or your last 3 losses. It only rewards discipline and probability.
Step 1. Define your trading style. Before you build a strategy, you need to define your style. Are you a day trader looking for quick moves and volatility? Or a swing trader holding positions for a few days to capture trends? If you haven't watched it yet, check out my video, Day Trading versus Swing Trading. I break down which one fits your personality best. Here's the truth. Day traders need speed, focus, and quick decision-making. Swing traders need patience, broader analysis, and emotional control. Once you choose your style, you can tailor your indicators, timeframes, and risk rules around it.
Step 2. Choose your market and your setup. Don't trade everything. That's a rookie move. Focus on one market you understand deeply. Stocks for structure and company news, forex for technical precision, crypto for volatility and breakout potential. Then find your setup, the pattern that gives you an edge. Maybe it's a breakout above resistance, a pullback into support, or a moving average crossover. The best traders don't trade hundreds of patterns, they master 1 or 2 and repeat them over and over.
Step 3. Define entry, exit, and risk rules. Here's where most traders fail. They buy randomly, hold emotionally, and hope for miracles. Let's fix that. Define your entry conditions clearly. For example, enter when price closes above 20 EMA with volume confirmation. Define your exit rules. Take profit at 2-to-1 reward to risk. Cut losses at 1% of total account per trade. And most importantly, never risk more than 1 to 2% of your capital per trade. That one rule alone separates pros from gamblers.
Step 4. Backtest and improve. Before you ever put real money on the line, backtest your strategy. Use free tools like TradingView or paper trading accounts to test how your strategy performs over hundreds of trades. Don't just look for profit. Look for consistency. How often does it win? What happens during drawdowns? Adjust one variable at a time. Keep what works, remove what doesn't. That's how professional traders evolve their system, through data, not emotion. Step 5. Master psychology and discipline. The truth is, even the best strategy will fail without the right mindset. Your biggest battle isn't the market, it's you. Greed, fear, impatience. These are what destroy accounts faster than any bad trade. That's why risk management and consistency are key. They help you survive long enough to win. I talked about this deeply in my video, Trading for Beginners, how small, consistent actions build massive financial power over time. So build discipline before profits. The money follows. If you got value from this video, here's your next step. Watch the 5 biggest mistakes new traders make. It'll save you months of frustration. Then, watch day trading versus swing trading to find your perfect style.
And finally, trading for beginners for the full roadmap. Subscribe now and join thousands of smart traders building wealth, one strategy at a time. This is the Dollar Hustle, helping you trade smarter, not harder. See you in the next one.